Hello, Namaskaram. Let's read. Issues in using AI defense uses used by non-state actors like as criminals and terrorism, and can leverage the power of generative models for planned attacks. Example: Islamic State issued a guide on how to use generative. So, how to use generative AI tools? Okay, social engineering. Okay, AI can manipulate the social media algorithm to influence target groups for radicalization. Example: sharing neo-Nazi AI content on social media sites such as Telegram. Okay, new malware creation functions such as the ability to write malware may make AI dangerous in the hands of bad people, bad actors. For example, a black mamba, an AI generated malware, can vary most existing endpoint detection and response EDR allow specific international law to check the limits on civilian protection and human rights violation, AI in surveillance and privacy violation. For example, China's facial recognition surveillance systems is in Xinjiang to track Uyghur Muslims violating their human rights. Ethical concerns, automation bias. It is difficult to differentiate between lawful targets and civilian targets, leading to the potential unpredictable attacks due to the lack of data. A principle of personality. These systems would need qualitative analysis to judge whether an attack carried out unpredictable due to the lack of data. A principle of proportionality. These systems would need a qualitative analysis to judge whether an attack carried out against a cheerful lawful target would be considered a mode of proportionate. So, predictability of an autonomous system. If a weapon cannot be controlled due to the inability of an operator to understand the system, this can violate international humanitarian rules. Objectification of human rights. The integration of AI enable weapon system facilitates the swift attacks, leading to the heightened tolerance and collateral damage. Okay, in the initiatives in adopting AI in defense, strategic implementation of AI for national security and defense task force shared with the Chief Chandrasekharan with a view to strengthening AI-based weapon systems. Okay, based on its recommendations, Defense AI Council (AIC) and Defense AI Project Agency (AIPRA) were set up in 2009 launched to 75 newly developed AI technologies. Indian Defense Minister launched AI technologies during the first ever AI and Defense AI IDEF symposium in July 2024. Okay, steps taken internationally to regulate AI in defense. Okay, a group of governmental experts on the United Nations conventions in Kochi on contained conventional weapons. CCW was established in 2016 to discuss issues related to technologies in the area of lethal autonomous weapons systems, including AI. Okay, first committee of United Nations approved new resolutions on lethal autonomous weapons in 2023 and suggested an algorithm must not be in full control of decisions involving killing. Regarding UNID guidelines for the development of national strategies on AI in security and defense in October 2024. Okay, International Committee of the Red Cross (ICRC) advocating for a comprehensive and binding set of norms and rules for development and use of autonomous weapon systems for AI. For national security, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, the Indian military needs to build working relationships with the private technology sector in India, working in the AI space like the United States and China, to develop both offensive and defensive cyber warfare capabilities. Cyber warfare becomes faster, more sophisticated. It becomes necessary for of both protect and counter attack. For international regulations, need for international law to limit the types of targets, the geographical scope, and the context in which they would be employed. Okay, arms control regime on AI. States can regional organizations can bring AI weapon systems and industry under arms control regime. Identify principles for responsibility military use of AI. Codify such principles on the official documents through collaborative multilateral process. Okay, next we have the next instance Globe Network. There has been elected to steering ability of global operational network of anti-corruption law enforcement authorities network. About Globe Network, Genesis established in 2021 at a UN General Assembly special session against corruption. UNGASS initiative launched under the G20 framework. Earlier, Riyadh initiative for creation of Globe Network was approved by G20 in 2020. Objective to operational law enforcement authorities with an eye by corruption, and it can join forces to counter transnational occupation cases governed by its members and supported by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Criminal (UNODC). Its secretariat members include 121 member countries and 219 law enforcement authorities. Minister of Home Affairs Services serves as the central authority for Globe Network in India. Okay, while CBI and ED represents India's member authorities. Okay, non-kinetic warfare. Parliament Standing Committee on Defense will study India's preparedness to deal with the non-kinetic warfare. About non-kinetic warfare or hybrid warfare, it is an evolving concept that extends beyond the usual military tactics and includes electronic warfare, cyber information, psychological and economic, and may include non-military stakeholders as well. It may be deadlier than traditional methods and may be won even before a bullet or fire is fired. Example: massive cyber or malware attack on critical infrastructure like power grids, hospitals, etc. While in case of kinetic warfare, a range of military weapons to physically destroy targets like tanks are deployed. Okay, non-kinetic ones use lesser laser or electromagnetic waves to disrupt other operations. Recent pager blast in Lebanon is an example of kinetic warfare also witnessed during Russia-Ukraine, Israel-Palestine conflict. Okay, emerging threats for India that call for non-kinetic warfare witness hostile neighbors like Pakistan on the western and China on the northern and northeastern fronts. Okay, China adopts street warfare, which includes psychological, political, and legal tactics to achieve its geopolitical goals. The role of non-state actors, Hezbollah has recently deployed such methods. Okay, others internal civil including national challenges in central India, emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, etc. Initiative taken by India, developing advanced weapons directionally unrestricted ray gun array. Okay, Durga 2 project initiated by the DRDO, etc. Structural reforms and establishing institutions. Chief of Defense Staff, Serious Defense AI Project Agency, DIPA, and Defense of AI Council, DAIC, etc. Okay, international partnership, exam general security of military information agreement. Okay, GSOMIA with the United States of America, the defense organizations, etc. DEFCON. Okay, the 4.DEFCON 4.0 is being organized by Innovations for Defense Excellence Defense Innovation Organization, IDEX. They are under the Minister of Defense. Key initiatives launched second edition of Amazing and development of innovative technologies with the IDEX. Okay, Aditi 2.0. Okay, features 90 challenges from the armed forces and allied agencies in the domains of artificial intelligence, AI, quantum technology, anti-drone systems, etc. Grants offers up to the 25 crores to IREX Finex. Okay, focus critical and strategic defense technologies. 12th edition defense India startup challenge. This 12. Okay, we just whatever challenge in key technology domains, UAVs, AI, networking, and communication. And grants offers up to rupees 1.5 crores for selected innovations. Launched in partnership with the NL Innovation Mission to support startups, MSMEs, and innovators to develop prototypes and commercialize products. Introduce medical innovations and research and advances. Mira initiative for developing medical technologies for the armed forces. Scheme for innovations for defense excellence, IDEX. Okay, launched in 2021 by the Minister of Defense and implemented by DIO and not for profit committee or under the MOD. Okay, grants provide up to rupees 1.5 crore, up to rupees 10 crore in case of IDEX Prime to start up MSMEs under the disk and open challenge through the support for prototype and research kickstart Spark framework. 26 products have been available under the IDEX for which procurement orders worth more than rupees 1,000 crore have been placed. Okay, 31 MQ-9B drones and a nuclear attack summarized deal clears. Okay, cabinet committees on security cleared details on 31 MQ-9B drones from the United States and 2 indigenous nuclear attack summarized. Okay, procurement of 31 MQ-9B drones and indigenous constructions of 2 nuclear powered attack submarines assistance will enhance India's military powers. Okay, about MQ-9B drones description: high altitude, long endurance, unmanned aerial and vehicle designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision taken strike missions. Okay, features by fly over horizon via satellite for up to 40 hours. His targets on land, at sea, and in air. Okay, 2 variants: Sky Guardian and Sea Guardian. Maritime variant. Okay, deal includes 16 Sky Guardian and 15 Sea Guardians. Variants height 8 each for the Army and Air Force. Okay, significance of a deal. Okay, boosts India's surveillance and intelligence for monitoring sensitive areas like the line of actual control with China. Part of broader defense modernization strategy aimed at enhancing India's military posture in Indo-Pacific region, further improves operational readiness with advanced technologies. Defense partnership between India and United States. Next, we have the other initiatives for defense technology absorption. Amendment to Defense Acquisition Procedure 2020, Security Technology Evaluation and Adaptation of Group of STAG. Okay, Indian Naval Indigenization Plan 2015-2030. Okay, next we have the about assessment descriptions designed for anti-submarine warfare, anti-surface ship operation, and intelligence gathering. Features armed with torpedoes and sometimes cruise missiles, but do not carry ballistic missiles. Okay, faster, quieter, difficult to detect, and can remain underwater for long periods of time. Significance of deal. Strengthens India's deterrence and operational capabilities, boosting underwater combat effectiveness. Blosser needs the defense manufacturer under Megan in the initiative. Okay, Abhed Advanced Ballistic for High Energy Defeat. Okay, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, along with the researchers of IIT Delhi, has developed Abhed. Okay, about Abhed, these are lightweight bulletproof jackets. These jackets have been created from the polymers and indigenous boron carbide ceramic material. The design configuration is based on characterization of various materials at higher strain rate, followed by the appropriate modeling and simulation. Next, we have the Akash Tir system. Indian Army has completed the acquisition of 100 Akash Tir air defense system. About Akash Tir system, they are advanced air defense control and reporting systems, ADCRS, which will serve as a critical assets in safeguarding countries from aerial threats, including missile and rocket attacks. They are developed indigenously by Bharat Electronics Limited (BEL). Significance: enable monitoring of low-level airspace over battle areas of Indian Army officers. Offers ability to monitor and respond to enemy attacks in real time, etc. Very short balance range air defense system. Okay, India successfully conducted flight tests of the 4th generation technically advanced miniaturized very short range air defense system. Okay, and proper range okay, the trial showcase repairability of heat to kill capability of the weapon system. About we sure okay, it is in indigenous developed man portable air defense system manpod, okay, designed and developed by research center impact RCI in collaboration with the DRDO Laboratories.